Our body is a reflection of our beliefs, and those beliefs makes the body that we have, because that's the habits that we practice. Because we practice those habits, we don't feel confident with our body, because we know that our body is not looking the best. So when you start developing those habits and you start moving forward and you achieving every single plan that you have set up, everything, you become self-confident, because you know you can do it. You know you become strong. You know there is nothing that can defeat you. You're becoming that great person. You're not afraid that success is gonna be gone the next day. You know, and you have what it takes to keep that success with you. And that's self-confidence. People who are not self-confident, they're always afraid because they don't do the work, and they know that success is gonna be gone.